Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you computer science of grade 4. So it's review time. Today we are going to revise the chapter number 3, that is about input and output devices. So we are going to start. Well, first one is choose the correct option. First one is dash is used to record sound into the computer. Option A is telephone, option B is microphone and option C is scanner. हम कंप्यूटर में आवाज़ को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए क्या यूज़ करते हैं? टेलीफोन, माइक्रोफोन और स्कैनर. तो हम कंप्यूटर में आवाज़ को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए माइक्रोफोन की हेल्प लेते हैं, माइक्रोफोन को यूज़ करते हैं. सो ऑप्शन बी इज़ करेक्ट. Second one is dash look like an upside down mouse. Well, option A is volleyball, option B is basketball and option C is trackball. So option C is correct. Third one is dash is a pointing device. Option A is mouse, option B is monitor and option C is money. So option A is correct. Mouse is a pointing device. Fourth one is dash is a sequence of black lines on the white background. Option A is Unicode, B is Barcode and C is Carcode. So option B is correct. Barcode is a sequence of on the white background. Move to next. Next one is fill in the blanks. First one is dash is used to play games on a computer. कंप्यूटर पर गेम्स खेलने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? जॉयस्टिक. सो जॉयस्टिक इज़ यूज टू प्ले गेम्स ऑन अ computer. Second one is dash is a commonly used in laptop. Touchpad is commonly used in laptop. Third one is dash is used to read and scan the text. Scanner is used to read and scan the text. Well, fourth one is dash is a pen-shaped pointing device. Light pen is a pen-shaped pointing device. Fifth one is dash is a brain of a computer. CPU is a brain of a computer. Okay, move to next. Next one is true, false. ALU stands for Arithmetic and Logic Unit. But यहाँ पे कहा जा रहा है कि ALU stands for Arithmetic and Long Unit. So it's false. The second one is speakers are used to hear the sound. Definitely true. Speakers को हम आवाज़ सुनने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Third one is barcode readers are used in supermarkets. Yes, it's true. Fourth one is scanner is an output device. No, scanner is an input device. So ये false है. Fifth one is light pen is a ball shaped device. No, light pen is a pen shaped pointing device. Well, students, move to next. Next one is answer the following questions. Question number 1 is write the names of any two. आपने इनपुट, आउटपुट और स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस के कोई से दो नेम्स जो हैं वो यहाँ पे मेंशन करने हैं. वेल, इनपुट डिवाइसेस कौन कौन सी हैं? फर्स्ट वन इज़ कीबोर्ड एंड सेकंड वन इज़ माउस. आउटपुट डिवाइसेस मॉनिटर एंड प्रिंटर. एंड स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस कौन सी हैं? फ्लॉपी डिस्क है और सीडी. Question number 2 is write down the names of different parts of computer of CPU. Write down the names of different part of CPU. CPU के मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स के नेम्स हमने बताने हैं. So first one is Arithmetic and Logic Unit, ALU. Second one is CU, Control Unit, and third one is MU, Memory Unit. Question number 3 is name any two types of monitor used nowadays. कोई सी दो मॉनिटर की टाइप्स बतानी है जो आजकल यूज़ हो रही हैं. So first one is LCD monitors and second one is plasma monitors. Well, question number 4 is what is scanner? Also name the two types of scanner. स्कैनर के बारे में हमने बताना है, स्कैनर की टू टाइप्स पे बतानी है. सो आंसर इज स्कैनर इज an input devices which reads and scan the text and pictures given on a paper into computer understandable text and pictures. There are two types of scanner. First one is flatbed scanner and second one is handheld scanner. Well, question number 5 is what is light pen? Light pen क्या है? Answer is light pen are used to draw pictures on the screen. You can select object on the screen by pointing at them with pen. स्क्रीन पर पिक्चर ड्रॉ करने के लिए हम लाइट पेन यूज़ करते हैं, या स्क्रीन पर अगर आपने कोई ऑब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट करना है तो आप लाइट पेन की मदद से स्क्रीन के उस ऑब्जेक्ट पर टच करेंगे, उसको सेलेक्ट करेंगे. Well students, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. And that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Best of luck. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.